For question 12.15, we're given the information that a hydrogen peroxide solution that you would typically get at the store is about 5% hydrogen peroxide volume per volume, with the rest of the balance being water as the other ingredient. So if you were to buy a 200 milliliter bottle, how many moles of water does this contain? So a 5% volume by volume solution means that of that solution, of every 100 milliliters of that solution, right, 5% is hydrogen peroxide, which means that 95% would be water. So of this 100 milliliters, right, that means I'd have about 5 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and I'd have about 95 milliliters of water. Well, we have 200 milliliter container of hydrogen peroxide, so I don't have 5 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide and 95 of water. I actually have 10 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and that means I have 190 milliliters of water. So now I can find out how many moles of water I have, right? 190 milliliters of water, and the density of water is 1 gram per 1 milliliter. So milliliters cancel out. I have 190 grams of water. We know moles, right? We can find moles now because I know that for every 18 grams of water, I would have 1 mole of water, or approximately 10.6 moles of water in this sample. We could figure that out because we were given the information of the concentration in the form of volume per volume. So 5% based on volume of that solution is hydrogen peroxide. So that means 95% of that volume is water. Because we know the density of water, we can turn that volume into a mass, and then from the mass we can find how many moles are in that sample of water.